Hi, and welcome to Teaching Spirit Retreat Centers. Today, I will be creating a flower crown for summer solstice. Summer solstice is the time that we celebrate life. We celebrate the light of life, for the sun gives us life. And we make flower crowns because flower crowns represent fertility and abundance. So when you create a flower crown, you're calling out to the universe that you're ready to be fertile. Fertile for a new project, fertile for a new job, for a new relationship, for a new child. Whatever it is that you're seeking, that crown says, I'm ready to be fertile. I am ready to bring forth that seed. And when you wear the crown on the summer solstice, you are celebrating the abundance you have in your life, the love, the friendships, everything that is in your life. We can celebrate because we're alive. We are alive to celebrate, and we're alive because the sun gives us the energy to be alive. So when we celebrate summer solstice, we are celebrating the abundance of our life given to us by the sun. So to begin, you want to go out and find yourself a twig that's really pliable. So I was blessed with a piece of my Japanese maple tree. And when you go out into nature and you choose to harvest, you always want to leave something in return. So you can leave some bird seed, you can leave a piece of your hair, but you want to leave something honoring the plants that you're using their life force from. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the branch and I'm going to roll it into a circle. Circle it around, and then you're going to take it and you're going to circle using the other end of the branch to keep the circle together. So you're going to take the smaller branches, you're going to circle them around the circle that you have, still holding where you started the circle so that it doesn't come apart until you have a circle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start tucking all those pieces in around the rim that you've now created. And there we have the beginning of your crown. And then you're going to take some flowers and you're going to start weaving the flowers inside the ring that you just created. So I'm going to make this a little bit tighter. I'm going to take two pieces and tie it together. Really securing the circle so that it doesn't come undone. Kind of weaving it through, and where you can, creating a knot. Just keep twisting it around itself. Now, I'm going to use some honeysuckle, which just smells amazing. And you're going to start by tucking one end in and circling around again. So I'm kind of weaving it around. Circle. I'm going to put some more because I just just love the smell of the honeysuckle. It's amazing when you use honeysuckle and you put it on, you get to smell that beautiful sweetness all day long. Just continue. Finding a place to put it in, and then winding it around. So you're pulling it through. It's like you're using it to sew it together. Always want to take the end and find a place to just stuff it in. What I recommend is, as you're doing this, just give thanks for all that you have in your life now. Give thanks for the food that you receive each day, for the bed that you get to sleep in, all the simple things in life that we take for granted, for the ability to smile, the ability to breathe, to walk, to move. And give thanks to nature and all the beauty in it. As you bring this beautiful flower together, reminding you of the beauty inside of you. For Mother Nature made this, and Mother Nature also made you. I'm going to decorate it with some pretty little phlox. And you now have your flower crown for fertility and abundance. And you're ready to celebrate summer solstice. Thanks for joining me, and have fun making your flower crown. Vasiliki, Medicine Woman, signing out. Namaste.